Alright then, let's just address the chartbusters in trade. TTK Prestige is one such counter which has really been buzzing in trade, holding up about 11% the last time I checked, almost a gain of about 11.5%. S. Ravichandran, who is the MD of TTK Prestige, joins in to talk more about the company. Mr. Ravichandran, thanks very much for joining us. The stock has been a buzz, holding up by about almost 12%. Any new initiative that the company may have undertaken?
Well, good afternoon to you. We have been making announcements to the stock exchanges in the last couple of months. I think May, March end and April beginning, we made several announcements about the new product lines that we are getting into, both in our traditional products as well as in our new growth areas. One such thing is to try and develop what's called a completely new induction cooktop platform. The other was to get into a very, very innovative micro pressure cooker area. I think these announcements, coupled with our results that are announced in the middle of May, I think are the chief reasons for the stock market we are viewing us favorably.
Right. Mr. Ravichandran, you did talk about a whole lot of expansion plans really. Is the funding in place for all of this?
Very much so. We are absolutely on an expansion mode. We believe that the current Indian economy bouncing back, I don't think it really bounced badly. And the new opportunities that we see for branded goods shares going up across product categories means that someone with our brand salience and brand pull is going to benefit greatly by this consumer movement or consumer revolution or consumer purchase.
So, Mr. Ravichandran, you are not looking at further fundraising at this point in time?
No. We have enough internal generation to handle all this.
Alright, leave it at that. Many thanks for speaking with us. And now the stock price zoomed all the way to that 12% gain mark. That's TTK Prestige in trade. But what about the rest of the chartbusters in trade? Let's quickly go across to our research lineup. Gargi, Smita, Diana, Vishal